Daily used expressions. Mainichi no aisatsu. In the morning, we wake up and say, Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu means good morning. In the daytime, when we meet somebody, we say, Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa means good afternoon. In the evening, when we meet somebody, we say, Konbawa. Konbawa means good evening. At night, before going to bed, we say, Oyasumi nasai. Oyasumi nasai means good night. To take somebody's leave, we say, Mata aimashou. Mata aimashou means see you again. Mata means again. Aimashou, let's meet. So it will mean let's meet again or see you again. Or while taking someone's leave, we can say sayonara. Sayonara means goodbye. To thank somebody, we say arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu means thank you. And the reply to it will be do itashimashite. Do itashimashite means welcome.